Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to cook Irish moss. First, always clean your dried Irish moss thoroughly under cool running water to remove any visible debris, such as sand or tiny shells. Then, place the cleaned moss in a large bowl and cover it with fresh, cool water. Allow the moss to soak for a minimum of 4 hours, or ideally overnight, which will expand its volume significantly, making it much easier to work with. Once your Irish moss has fully rehydrated, carefully drain off all of the soaking water. Transfer the moss to a colander and rinse it very thoroughly under cool, continuously running water for several minutes. Gently massage the moss with your hands as you rinse, ensuring that every strand is clean. This crucial step guarantees that your final product will be free from any gritty texture or unwanted ocean particles. After rinsing, transfer the clean, rehydrated Irish moss to a saucepan. For every 1 cup of moss, add about 4 cups of fresh, filtered water. Bring this mixture to a gentle simmer over low heat, allowing it to cook for approximately 20 to 25 minutes. You will notice the moss softening considerably and the liquid beginning to thicken, indicating that the natural gelling agents are being released into the water. Once the moss has simmered and cooled slightly for about 10 minutes, carefully pour the entire contents of the saucepan into a high-speed blender. Blend on high for 1 to 2 minutes, or until the mixture becomes a completely smooth, uniform gel with no visible pieces of moss. If you desire an exceptionally silky texture, you can strain the finished gel through a fine mesh sieve or nut milk bag to remove any remaining fibers.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.